In problem 4, I have you to state the domain and range from a couple different types of functions. In part A, I give you the relation in terms of ordered pairs, and domains is going to be the set of all the x's. So all you do is go through and identify all the x coordinates. The first one's 3, the next one's 5, and the third one is 3. You don't have to list 3 again, so you just stop it right there. The range is going to be the set of all the y coordinates. So now you go through and list all the y coordinates, 4, 6, and 7. And that's it. For the next two, I give you an equation and ask you about the domain and range. So with y equals x squared plus 2, think about what the graph is. And the graph of an x squared function is going to be parabola. This parabola has a vertex at 0, 2. So it's going to start here, and it's going to have this U shape opening up. So when it comes to the domain, remember the domain are all the x's that we can use. And this graph goes to the left and right all the way. So there's nothing that we can't use, that we can't plug in here for x. So we'll say it's all real numbers, or this double R. The range, however, you notice is the y's. And as far as y coordinates go, the smallest y I could use is this 2, but otherwise I could use everything that's up above it. So we say that y is going to be greater than or equal to 2. For the last one, y equals 2x plus 1, think about what that is, and that's a line. It has a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of up 2 over 1. So this is the line. And we think about how far does this line extend in the x direction, because the x direction is the domain. And it goes forever in the x direction, so its domain is all real numbers. And when we think about its range, how far does this line stretch up and down? And it stretches forever up and down, so its range is also all real numbers.